Friends, welcome to Biology Made Easy. In the earlier videos, we have discussed the families like that of the Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and Brassicaceae, which belong to the dicots. But among the monocots, there is one family prescribed for you, that is this Liliaceae. And this Liliaceae will discuss in the reverse manner. That means we have to remember the floral formula and floral diagram, and from that we can derive all the characters. So you see how we are doing that. So for the family Liliaceae, we have to remember the floral formula. So the floral formula is this symbol is there. This is for actinomorphic condition. Then this symbol is there, which indicates it is bisexual. Then in this family, the calyx and corolla are not there. They are present in one hole, that is known as perianth. So we will write P is for perianth. And there are 6, but it is written like this because they are arranged in 2 holes. And then there is the androecium. In androecium also there are 6 stamens, and again also they are arranged in 2 holes of 3 each. Then the gynoecium, the 3 carpels are there, syncarpus, and this is the hypogynous condition. This is the formula. Now if you draw the diagram, then it will become very much easier for us. So this is the mother axis. Then when we draw the perianth, so these 3, they are the inner ones because 6 are there. These 3, they are the inner ones. Then the outer ones. This is one outer. This is one outer. This is one outer. Now, since this represents the perianth, I have drawn the structure just like that of the calyx. This structure with the pointed ends, but side by side we have to make it darken it so that it represents both calyx and corolla, because perianth represents both calyx and corolla. So this is the perianth. Then there are 6 stamens are there, and then again they are arranged in 2 holes of 3 each. So this is one hole, then this is the inner hole, then this is the outer hole. The outer hole. So this is about the stamens. But again, in case of this Liliaceae family also, we will find some difference are there. This diagram is for most of the plants, but in case of asparagus and aloe vera, usually they are connected with the tepals, that is epiphyllous condition is there, and also these are united, that is gamophilous, but here it is polyphilous. Then we will draw it is a tricarpellary. So you see this is tricarpellary, and also it is exile placentation. So now it is tricarpellary, trilocular, and exile placentation. So from this, now we'll be able to write most of the characters. So you see, in this case, the inflorescence, first if we discuss the inflorescence, which is not represented either in the formula or the diagram. It is usually, this is usually solitary, or if inflorescence is present, then it is cymose. Then coming to the flower. So the flower, Now you see, there is no symbol for bract and bracteole. So we can write it is E bracteate and E bracteolate, E bracteate, E bracteolate. Then you see this symbol is there. That means this is actinomorphic. Actinomorphic. Then this symbol is there. This is bisexual. Then whether the flower is complete or incomplete. Here the 4 holes are not there, only 3 holes are there. So we can write it is incomplete. Then regarding hypogyny, polygyny, epigyny, now this symbol is there. So it is hypogynous. Hypogynous. And another important thing, here you see the number of tepals, stamens and carpels, they are either 3 or multiple of 3. That means we can write it trimerous. Trimerous, and this is one of the important conditions of this family, trimerous, that we have to remember. That means they are multiple of 3 or 3. The carpels are 3, but the stamens and the tepals, they are multiple of 3, that is 6, 6. So that is important character. The next is perianth. So in perianth we have to write tepals. Tepals 6 in number are in 2 holes. Are in 2 holes. 2 holes of 3 each. And as shown in the diagram, it is polyphylous. It is polyphylous. But in cases like aloe vera and asparagus, it is gamophilous. So we can write rarely gamophilous. Rarely gamophilous. We can write in a bracket also aloe vera and asparagus. Then the next character, that is the androecium. So in case of androecium, you see here it is written 3 plus 3. That means stamens are 6 in number. Stamens 6, but arranged in 2 holes, are in 2 holes of 3 each. Now here it is shown that they are free, but again in case of aloe vera and asparagus, where there is the condition of a gamophilous, there also this is epiphyllous. So here we can write free, or we can write epiphyllous. Epiphyllous, and also in the bracket we can write aloe vera and asparagus. Then coming to the gynoecium. Gynoecium, again we can write all the characters. So in case of gynoecium, you see the carpels are 3 in number. That means it is tricarpellary. Then bracket is there. That means it is superior. Syncarpus. Then this line is given below G. That means a superior ovary. Then you come to this. It is trilocular and exile presentation. So it is trilocular exile presentation. Trilocular exile presentation. So all the characters now we are able to write it. But the fruit and seed cannot be written, and the fruit is usually capsule, and rarely it is berry, and the seeds are usually endospermic, because most of the monocots are also endospermic, so the seeds are also endospermic. So this is the common floral diagram and floral formula for Liliaceae family. But as I have told you that in case of the aloe vera and asparagus, there is slight modification. So in that case, the formula will be actinomorphic, bisexual, then this is P3 plus 3, but here bracket is there because there is gamophilous, then A3 plus 3, then this is the epiphyllous, then G3, other things there. Only there is some variation between the perianth and the stamens. So in that case, now these will be joined in case of aloe vera. So now it becomes a gamophilous. And similarly, the petals are also be joined to the tepals in case of asparagus and aloe vera. So this floral formula and now this diagram it belongs to aloe vera and asparagus. But this and the previous diagram, that is the common one, that is also given in this NCERT book. So these are the detailed description. Now let us discuss some of the economically important plants. So among the economically important plants, some of the plants are ornamental plants, and among the ornamental plants, one is tulip, very beautiful flower, and mostly in Kashmir there is a tulip garden. Then another is gloriosa. These two are the ornamentals. Then under medicinal, one plant is aloe vera. It has a lot of economic importance. Then coming under vegetables. Under vegetables, the asparagus, is coming, and among the spices, there is onion and garlic. And under there is another important plant, that is colchicine. The colchicine is an alkaloid that inhibits spindle formation during cell division. So this is obtained usually from one plant, Colchicum autumnale, that belongs to this family. It is obtained from Colchicum autumnale. It produces this alkaloid. Then besides this, there are also some other plants, and among other plants, there is that is one Yucca, then Dracena, Smilax. These are also some of the other plants. So these are the different iconic plants. So this is the discussion. By remembering the floral formula and floral diagram, you can write all the characters. So out of the different families that we have discussed in 4 different videos, 4 different families. First we have discussed the characters, then we have written the floral formula and floral diagram. And the other 2 cases, we have first written the floral formula and floral diagram, and from that we have derived the characters. So whichever is suitable for you, you can follow that method. Now let us discuss some questions. The following plants belong to how many families? So The different plants are, one is asparagus, tulip, lupin, indigofera, and then chili, and tobacco, rye, smilax, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second question: which character is not found in family Liliaceae? A choice trimerous, B choice exile presentation, then petals 6 in 2 holes, up 3 each, and D choice superior ovary. So these are the standard questions which are usually asked in all national type of examinations. I hope now you have very clear understanding about the family Liliaceae. This is the only monopod family that is prescribed for you. So thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good day.